Hi students, in this video we are studying about the RTGS, real-time settlement, gross settlement and Neft and IMPS. So how we are using, these are the online bankings. Through online we are transferring money to one person to another person, one bank to another bank. First we'll study that what is Neft, NEFT. Neft stands for National Electronic Funds. NEFT stands for it's a National Electronic Fund Transfer. With NEFT, you can transfer any amount to the recipient account in a one-on-one transfer basis. NEFT transaction don't have a maximum limit. Maximum limits for funds that can be transferred in a single day. So timings for NEFT. NEFT, one important feature of this method is that funds are transferred in a batches that are settled in a half hourly time slots. So half hourly time slots, the fund transfers are processed in 12 batches between 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. on weekdays and 6 batches between 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Saturdays. Nifty is not available on Sundays and bank holidays if a transfer is initiated any time after the specified hours for that day. It will be processed on the next working day. And about the transactions limits, there is no maximum or minimum limit on the Neft amount of funds that could be transferred through Neft. The maximum amount for transaction is limited, that is rupees 50,000. With the Neft you can initiate transaction to transfer funds from one bank account to another throughout India. However, you must make sure that the banks are a part of the Neft transfer network. How we can transfer the money, what are the procedure, we'll see now. So have to do is log into your net banking portal and add the recipient as a beneficiary. You will need to enter details like their name, account number, account type and IFSC code under the add new payee section. Once you choose NEFT as the prepared mode of transfer and enter the amount to be transferred, the fund will transfer will be completed. Now we come to know that what is the NEFT. Now we'll see the RTGS. What is RTGS? So RTGS is a real-time gross settlement. So business owners can use this account RTGS when they need to transfer large amount instantly. One advantage that RTGS has over the other methods is the transaction is speed, since the entire amount is transferred in a real time. So timings for RTGS is individual bank and their branches is the standard timings is 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. for customer transactions and 7 a.m. to 7:45 for interbanking transactions. So in RTGS there is a limitation of amount, that is limit of rupees 2 lakhs for RTGS transaction, and there is no maximum limit as such. To get an RTGS enabled account, can either contact your bank or check your eligibility status in your online banking portal. If you are using RTGS for a fund transfer, make sure that both you and the recipient have a RTGS enabled account. Then only can transfer. What is the procedure for the transferring money? So transfer money funds via RTGS. So first need to log in to your banking portal and add the recipient as a beneficiary by entering details like their name, account number, account type, and IFSC code. Then choose RTGS as the mode of transfer and enter the amount to be transferred. Then the procedure is completed. Then money will transfer. So IMPS facility in this IMPS is a immediate payment service, immediate payment services. So IMPS is another real-time payment service, but the distinguishing factor is that IMPS is available 24 by 7 and can avail the service even on bank holidays also. Using IMPS can transfer comparatively lower amount up to rupees 2 lakhs instantly. So you can think of IMPS as the fund transfer mode that has the best features of both RTGS and Nifty. So you can transfer amount as low as you want anytime you want with instant results. Though IMPS services are mostly used online, a few banks offer SMS service also. What is the procedure to transfer money using via IMPS? Should first register for the mobile banking service of the concerned bank and generate a mobile money identifier and MPIN from the bank. You should make sure that your beneficiary or recipient has the MMIDR and MPIN too. Once you have registered, log into your net banking portal and select IMPS as the preferred mode of transfer. Then you should fill in the details like the recipient mobile number, the recipient MMID, then amount to be transferred and your MPIN. Once this is done, you will receive confirmation message via SMS. So what are the differentiate the three modes of the transactions? Timings. The available hours for each type of fund transfer depend on the individual bank and their customer service schedule. Neft and RTGS services will be unavailable on weekends and bank holidays, while IMPS services can be availed round the clock full 24 by 7. And also Neft transfer funds in a timed batches while RTGS and IMPS are real time transfer modes. And about transaction limit, this is one of the most important difference. Neft and IMPS have no minimum value while RTGS has a minimum fund value of rupees 2 lakh. Each mode has a different maximum fund limit. So these are the difference between the three online transactions using it will happen through online. So next topic is insurance, and we'll see the what is the meaning of the insurance and introduction. Insurance is a protection against financial loss arising on the happening of an unexpected event. As an individual's life is subject to various risks in personal life, death by accident or premature death in business. Person's business property is subjected to loss by fire, theft, and natural calamities, and insurance is a device by which loss suffered from various risks to an individual can be minimized. Insurance provides indemni- indemnification against loss arising from happening of some event. So unexpectedly happens some incident like a death and fire, loss by fire, theft and natural calamities like natural disasters. For these insurance is again fill the loss arising from happening of some event. And we'll see the what is the meaning of insurance? Insurance is a contract entered between two parties. Insurance is a contract entered between two parties. The company assuring in the contract of insurance to compensate is known as an insurer, while the person to whom assurance such assurance is given is known as a insured. In this contract, the insurer is bound to compensate for the specific loss to the insured who in consideration of which pays insurance premium. Basic terms in insurance. What are those basic terms in insurance? Those are insured, insurer, premium, policy, claim, and proposal, subject matter of insurance, and the policy. These are the basic terms of insurance. First one is insured. So, insured, the person who is protecting against certain losses, insured is known as assured in a case of life insurance contracts. He is the policy holder. So, from the insurance company is insured, who is the person to whom a compensation is to be paid. In case of loss is called the insured. And who is insurer? The company that agrees to pay compensation on the happening of a specific event against the payment of regular premium is called the insurer. So insured means who is the policy holder. Policy holder is called insured, and insurer is the company which is going to pay the regular payment specific event against happened uh, compensation happening in a specific event against the payment of regular premium is called the insurer. And next one is premium. So what is premium? Premium is a fixed amount to be paid to the insurer by insured, like yearly, monthly, or quarterly. So premium need to pay for the insurer. So next is policy. The statement of contract between the insured and the insurer. This is the contract between the insured and the insurer. It contains the terms and conditions of the insurance contract. So in the premium, it will be mentioned that what are the terms and conditions are written. So this is a contract between the insured and the insurer. And next is subject claim. It is the demand made by the insured on the insurer to compensate for loss on the happening of the event. So it is the demand made by the insured person will insured person on the insurer to compensate how much loss happened of the event. So that is a claim. And next is proposal. So it is a written request by the proposer to the insurance company to issue an insurance policy. So next one is the subject matter. Subject matter in insurance basic terms, that is subject matter, it refers to the subject against which the policy is taken, that is a subject matter. First, in a life insurance, the life of the assured is a subject matter. And in fire insurance, the goods and assets are property of the insured is the subject matter. And in marine insurance, the cargo or ship is the subject matter. Based on this, we'll take the insurance policy. These are the subject matter. So first one is a life insurance, and second one is fire insurance and marine insurance. So these are the basic terms of the insurance.